Help Center Tutorials. How to record a restocking or a reception of goods in store on your POS mobile device. After sending a replenishment request to the central purchasing unit from one of your sale points, and when it is time to record the reception of the ordered goods on the POS of your store, you will only have to follow these steps. Unlock your session. If you don't land directly on the menu, press the 3 dashes on the top left of your screen to go there. In the Supply section, go to the Orders Follow-up rubric. Note that you will only be able to record the reception of the ones that have already been processed from the administrator interface, and for which the circle on the left will be yellow. The ones with gray circles will correspond to the pending replenishment requests that must first be approved and processed by the administrator from his interface. Click on the line related to one of the ordered products for which the request has been processed. You will then be able to enter the received quantities of each of the products you have ordered individually, by using the numeric keypad located on the right side of your screen. Start by inserting the number corresponding to the received quantity and then press the concerned product on the left side of your screen. In the case where the received quantities of all of the products are identical to the quantities ordered, you can record the reception of all at once by pressing Select All. The selection will be displayed in the sidebar on the right side of your screen below the numeric keyboard. Continue the operation by pressing the button Validate or Total Reception, respectively, and according to the previous chosen method. The yellow circles on the left of each of the lines related to the ordered products of your list will become green, which will mean that the products are received. The received products will then be added to your store's stock, which you will be able to view by going to the Stock Availability section.